It's technology. Today, the computer science department is hosting an exciting hackathon, a platform where brilliant young minds come together to solve real world problems through coding, creativity, and collaboration. Let's dive in and see what this tech marathon has in store for us. After engaging with the students, we got to know that they are developing their websites or apps on the spot and pitching their ideas to the mentors of Edifex company. Their theme for the hackathon is Hack with Her. It's their fourth edition. The prize money is 30,000 for the winner, 20,000 for the runner up, and 10,000 for the second runner up. Do you think that the project that you're doing has real life applications? If yes, who are the potential users?
So basically, our project focuses on helping women who are in need of very severe diseases. For example, it's basically a DNA testing platform. So if there's a female, she'll enter her DNA sequence, and there'll be a lot of parameters. For example, we all know women suffer from breast cancers, PCOS, endometriosis, period and menopause, etc. So they'll just enter the DNA, and we'll get a lot of parameters according to it.
So, if given funding, how would you further develop and scale your project?
If we are given funding, we'll make our code more complex and we'll integrate the payment gateways, and we'll also collaborate with NGOs and different ministries to make it really helpful to the entrepreneurs for their financial assistance.
Their websites were women centric, addressing their issues, safety, and empowerment. This was an initiative to bring out more females in rather male dominating technological industry. It was compulsory to have 50% ratio of women in the event, which made this inclusive and women safe environment.
And what factors do companies consider when evaluating hackathon projects for potential investment or hiring?
Uh, there are quite a few things that we basically look at. See, one of them is innovation. Second of them is problem-solving approach, and then third is the thinking process, the thought process. See, we understand that these hackathons are not meant to deliver working products. These hackathons are meant to evaluate a problem-solving approach, mindset, and commitment towards driving the solution, right? Because I will be more than excited to see people trying and getting to a point where they can actually create a solution that may not be working but has a very strong potential to work if invested in the right way, right? So it's merely the aptitude, the attitude of the candidates, and how self-involved are they in terms of delivering this outcome. Just thinking of bringing innovation to the table, right? That is what creates a difference.
How do events like these, organized by IEEE CIET student branch, contribute to the students' learning experiences?
So, organizing these events has been a forte for us. We have organized multiple, I guess, if we talk in numbers, we have organized 12 to 15 plus events in less than 8 months. So, seeing the response from the students, it highly motivates them to participate in on ground learning, more practical based learning. They know, they get to learn about the teamwork. Like, we have teams here, 4 member, 3 member, 2 member also. So, they get to know how to work with the team.
And with that, we come to the grand conclusion of this power packed hackathon. The students have truly showcased their talent, innovation, and perseverance. Congratulations to the winning team, and a big shout out to all the participants for making this event a huge success. This is yet another testament to Chitkara University's commitment to fostering technology and innovation. I Tarushi for Chitkara News with cameraman Arushi.